Hi, this is Natalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to show you my steampunk journal. It is finished. I can't put anything more in because it's going to be a chunky monkey. It is already a chunky monkey, but I'm afraid it will not close. And I also wanted to tell you a little bit about the 4th week of the Steampunk Your Art Challenge that we are running in 5 Facebook groups. I have a description box below this video. If you click on the little arrow and then click on more, you see everything about the challenge and where to find the Facebook groups. But I'm just going to explain real quick. The Facebook group hosting are Two Sister Jams, Pea Papers, Junkjournal, Tutorials and more, Junkjournal and Papercrafts, and of course my own group, LineDotArrow. The challenge papers can only be found in LineDotArrow, and also, they are for free on LineDotArrow. And if you still want to join in with the challenges or just craft with the papers, but do not have a Facebook account or don't want to be a part of the Facebook group, they are on Ko-Fi for a very small fee. We have already did 3 challenges. We made ATC cards, we made clusters, steampunk clusters, and the 3rd challenge was banners. I had to think real hard about the challenges, and I have videos about it. There's a playlist, #SteampunkYourArt, and you can see everything in there. But today we are entering the 4th week, which basically means you can finish everything you want, or if you just jumped in, start everything, create all the challenges in 1 week, or something else related to steampunk using the free papers or the challenge papers, the kits that you can purchase in the LineDotArrow Etsy store. The challenges is just a guide. You don't need to make those things. You can do absolutely anything you want as long as it has only the challenge papers in it that are for free. Then your post count is 1 entry, and if you use 1, 2 kits or a kit together with the challenge free papers, then your post will count as 2 entries, and which basically means your name going to be in the wheel 1 more time or 2 more times. And you can post in all the same groups, or you can post the same post in all the groups, because there will be separate winners drawings at the end of this month, 5 in total. I have explained this many times. It's also explained in each event in each Facebook group. There's a link to down below this video, like I said, in the description box. If you click on that link, you see all the participating Facebook groups, and you can go straight to them. You can click on the header and just go over there and become a member. I did something new I have never done before, and I purchased a Zutter binding. I'm pretty sure this is not the newest model there is, but it does what I wanted to do, binding my journal in rings. And this one came with a lot of rings, so I thought, well, the rings are something too. Well, I have like 6 boxes full of rings together with this, and I had a very good deal, so I purchased this one instead of the cinch. But I think they basically do the same thing. I haven't done this before, so I had some issues with binding the ring, closing the ring. It's not perfectly round, but it is working. I'm just going to show you the front cover. This is the front cover. I have this on a video on how I made these. No, the letters and this one. I don't think I have this because I already made this, and after this I tried this. But this is a 3D embossing folder from Tim Holtz. And I used, I'm just going to show you Steampunk Kit number 4 mostly. And these are the portrait of the Steampunk kits. This is on here too. I don't believe I used anything else in this journal. And I'm pretty sure I didn't use all the pages from this kit, because as you can see, it has 38 pages. I use a lot of the free challenge papers ephemera pieces. I made a closure, a rather simple one, but I do like it. Just going to take it off. It's a strip of fabric, and I just punched in 3 eyelets. What is this? Oh, it's just and it goes over. You can also place it over here. I placed it over here so it didn't get caught up in these eyelets. And like I said, I have a video on how I created the cover. Also, you see me put everything together with the leather, the sewing. This is the back side. I have not did this on camera, but it's basically a back cover from craft paper, and I put on how is it called? Mica spray, silver, copper, and gold on here, and splashes of distress ink, and that is like a teal blue. This I created on a video. This is a file folder that I created with a die from Tim Holtz and added stuff from the challenge papers, but I clipped it on here over the page, so it's a sort of a pocket over here and also on the inside. But let me start on the front. Well, this can be taken out, of course. Then you have the inside cover pocket. I also made this on camera. This is a regular copy paper that I sprayed with clear paint, and it's a very nice effect. It is like glossy, but also looking aged, like glassine, but a thicker kind. I made these during the cluster challenge. This is my ATC card I created in the first challenge. And this is just a tag with a part of the banner that we also had in the challenge. And these go in here. So these tuck in here. Like so. This one goes in here. And then I have pages from the kit. This is a flippy out thingy. I just had a white edge over here, and I put on a washi tape to cover this, and I added a little washi over here. And this is a how do you call that? A stencil. That's a Tim Holtz stencil. I'm just checking if I can find it. Of course I can't find it. Oh, I have it over here. I have to clean it. This one, the ink splatter, and I put it on here. And this is some old ledger over here. I thought it would be nice to put this in, and if you want to use it in your journal, you can rip it out and actually collage on here. Also inked a little bit on this one because I kind of messed up. I had ink by accident on here. Again, this is a Dutch, because this is Dutch ledger. A cluster on here. Nothing goes in, but this is part of a banner and a lock. Also the stenciling. This is a pocket. This was actually in the first week challenge a free paper. And in here is a little belly band. And I think I thought about stamping on here, but I totally forgot. I have little bits and bobs over here. I have tickets. These are cutouts from a free paper that I did with the Tim Holtz dies. In the video I did that. Well, I did it before I videoed, but I showed you the dies that I used. And also pieces tuck in here. A girl. A little music paper. This is from the ATC card challenge. And this is something I received from somebody. I think it is Tim Holtz, but I'm not sure. I tuck it in here too because it had like steampunk thingies. Machinery. Page from the kit. A little cluster. Again, the stencil. Ledger. A pocket. and did some stenciling, and I added a steampunk lady over here, a little tag that tucks in here. This is the banner I created. I created 3 banners on camera for the 3rd week challenge. And it goes over here. I do need to glue my page a little. Where's my glue? I can't find my glue. Over here. Because some of the pages are glued onto a little bit more sturdier paper. So it's folded in half, and in between there is a little bit more sturdy paper. So you have like something to hold on to when you add like this. Otherwise it will be very flimsy and thin. More pages from the kit. Also added tabs. A little small one. Also a small piece. My other ATC card in a pocket that is placed a little bit higher so it peeks out on the top. A little tuck spot here with the car. I believe I said I wanted to hang it on the journal. Didn't do that. So it's in here. My other banner with fabrics and lace, and these are tucked in here so you can do something with it. Coffee dyed paper from a math book. In Dutch, another tab, and this is also a banner I created from fabric with butterflies and a number, label, lace. The lace that I use is from Two Sister Gem. They sent it to me. I finally started using it because I wanted to hold on to it forever. A little ticket. I think it was actually from the free papers, if I'm correct. I don't know for sure. Paper cluster that we created in the 2nd week, and a journal card with a hand that is movable. Again, some stenciling. A little tuck spot in here with a little car. Paper clusters in here. A pocket. I made this on camera in the live video yesterday together with Dana and Stacy from Two Sister Jam. I inked on here with the stencil, did some fabric stamping on here too. And this is my tag I created on camera. And this is the pocket with another pocket, and I have this. I really like this. It tucks in here. I created a little light bulb paper clip. Nothing special, but it's fun. Another tab. Left small pieces of the ledger. More ledger over here. I really like this paper. Then, like I explained, this is the file folder, and it's clipped with the Tim Holtz little clips on here. I did stamp with the Tracy Fox stamps. And this I also made on camera yesterday. Oh, it's actually, you can put it in front of you. And I added these metal on here, some collaging, and this is also from the same piece that I embossed with the 3D embossing folder from Tim Holtz. This one, backside, and this is the journal. And there's something fun about this journal because I'm going to give away this journal. Just closing it a little. So I had so much fun using the rings. Like I said, it was my first time, so they are not completely perfect, but yeah, they work. I could have done a little bit better with the making them more round, but I don't think it interferes with the journal, and they are all about the same way, so It's not like one is more crooked than the other one. But yeah, I'm going to give away this journal. And I will do also have on something else. I'm just going to announce it. In the previous drawing last month, there was a lady, Sophie van Dalen, and she won a kit. She won a prize in my group and in other groups, but she only collected from the other groups. And she said you can spin again with the entries, but take out the people that already won something, spin again, and give away my kit to somebody else. So I'm going to do that. I had to do this a long time ago, like 2 weeks ago, but I was so busy with everything else that I kind of forgot. So I'm going to do that too, and you don't need to enter for that because I'm just going to take the entries from the previous month challenges, take out the people that already won something, and the leftover people are going to be in the wheel, and I'm going to spin for one digital. So that's going to be okay. But I'm going to do this all in the winner's drawing from this month. So there's going to be the regular winner's drawing, and there's going to be an extra drawing from last month. And I'm also going to give away this journal. And in order to give away this journal, I want you to respond on this video using the hashtag Steampunk Your Art giveaway. So all in one word. So add giveaway to the hashtag we're using this month. Steampunk Your Art giveaway. And tell me why you want to win this journal. Leave a like on the video, and also tell me if you have like a YouTube name. Also tell me your name that you are a member of in my Facebook group, because sometimes those names are not the same, and I do want to know if you are in my Facebook group and I'll know which name, so I can do the winner's drawing properly, because otherwise I have a YouTube name and it's very difficult to reach out and to connect about sending out the prize. So yeah, like this video, leave a comment on why you want to win this journal. Use the hashtag Steampunk Your Art giveaway, and I can do the drawing the same time I will do the other drawings. So you have about a week, because the next drawing for November challenges is going to be next Sunday. This is the journal that I'm going to give away. And this is basically the video for today. I'm going to make the 4th week event in the Facebook group, and the other Facebook groups joining in the hashtag Steampunk Your Art challenges are going to do the exact same thing. So there will be a new challenge, no papers to work with. Just finish off everything you want, your journal, your project, whatever you have in mind. Post. The more times you post, the more times your name will be in the wheel, the bigger the chance of winning the digitals from LineDotArrow. This is it for today. I'm wishing everybody a happy Sunday. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you the next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye.